Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to transfer money between Tangerine Bank accounts. The process is very straightforward and can be done entirely online or through the mobile app. First, log into your Tangerine account. Once you are logged in, look for the Transfer Money or Move Money option. This is usually located in the main menu or on your account dashboard. Next, you will need to specify the details of the transfer. This includes selecting the account you want to transfer money from and the account you want to transfer money to. All of your eligible Tangerine accounts should be listed as options. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Finally, review the transfer details to ensure everything is correct and then confirm the transaction. The money should be transferred instantly between your own accounts. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.